No, you know, I never wanted to do it, but I have to make a comparison this evening between what is happening now with the Jamaica Football Federation and its leadership and what obtained in the glory days of the late Captain Horace Burrell. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Donovan Duki is the now embattled coach of the just eliminated under-23 team. Talented team, good players. The Jamaica Olympic Association spent millions of dollars on this team. Them get everything they want, and yet, after Duki going with a bag of tactical nonsense, Jamaica playing at home could not win a game. Not against Mexico or the USA or Costa Rica, but they got knocked out by Dominica and St. Kitts and Nevis to leave the entire Jamaican football public in mourning. And the coach not just keeps his job, but immediately is off on another foreign assignment. And listen to the JFF president on the issue. Listen to Mr. Ricky.
As soon as they are back, the technical staff will be meeting with us, and certainly we'll have a fulsome discussion. And a report ought to be tendered, and then we'll certainly have an idea of exactly what was the thought process of the technical staff and what really went wrong.
This is what I'm talking about. Fulsome discussion and meetings and report and blah, blah, blah. Mr. Ricketts, you never hear about 0-100 hours? Yes. 0-100 hours. Whether in the dressing room, or upon the team bus, in the team hotel, even on the plane. Anyway, 0-100 hours strike, man gone. The big JFF president don't know about 0-100 hours. God bless Capo Soul. God bless your soul, Capo.